Hey y'all, in this video I will draw the one and only Kevin from the Rise of Gru, and make sure to follow my YouTube channel for more easy and simple tutorials. Now let's get started. And of course I'm using my custom brush, aka flowing hair, and if you want to learn how to make it, make sure to follow my other YouTube channel, which is this one right here, where I make short satisfying art videos about Procreate. And I should probably rename this brush, but I picked this pretty light banana color to color his body in, and this was when I realized I was drawing on the wrong layer. Alright, so I'm just gonna make some outlines of different body parts on separate layers. Now that we're finished with making outlines of Kevin's body parts and accessories, we can start adding shadows and highlights using the soft brush in the airspray category. draw his eyes, and I just now realized that I made a tutorial when I taught you the simplest way to draw these pretty cool and realistic irises, and I'm just gonna go ahead and copy one of them. Then I'm probably gonna paste them, change their hue so that they're brown because Kevin is a brown-eyed king, and this way I'll save a whole lot of time. This is probably the cutest part of this video, which is drawing Kevin's hair, and you can literally count all of his hair strands. Last but not least is his denim pants, and I downloaded this one denim brush for free, and I will definitely leave the link in my description. If you have seen the original Rise of Gru poster, you will notice a side-dye background, which is exactly what we're gonna do. So first, you're just gonna wanna layer bright colors, just like so. And then you're just gonna go to your look mode tool and select crystals. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to follow and like this video if you want to see more simple Procreate hacks, tips, and tutorials. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!